Hello there. In this video I will show how can we set up the gradebook for a Moodle course. So we will be looking at the Sustainable Development course for primary education. The course has already been created. On the navigation block here you can see all the different type of activities and resources that are made possible at the course, and now we will look at the grades. So the first thing was to actually set up a balance criteria for the activities, aiming at a course total of 100% weight. We gave to the quiz 10%, thinking that the quiz will have 10 questions. And then for the goals that one wants to champion for and what are the strategies to achieve them, it will be weight 30%. And then for the collaborative or individual work, which will be a poster, we will give it 40%, since it will be like a final outcome for the first module. And for the glossary, we will give it 20%. So after weighting all these activities, we were given them some ID numbers, which we will show very soon. So we will look again at the course. Here on the gradebook setup, you can also see the 4 activities I've just mentioned earlier on, the weights that were given, and also the maximum grade for each question. As I referred previously, the quiz will have 10 questions, so it's 1 point each question, and then the other activities are based on LE scale, and this is the maximum grade. Going back to the course itself, I'm going to show you some editings that need to be done while setting up the grades. Here you've got the grades. It doesn't allow you to add any other category. Again, 10 questions, 10 the maximum, but you need 8 correct answers to be able to pass. I'm also giving unlimited attempts, and the grading method is based on the highest grade. It is also important to come to the common model settings, and here you will see that the ID number that you have seen in the gradebook setup can also be changed here. So instead of giving a weight of 10 out of 100, if you want to give it 20, we can save and return, and then we can go to the book, to the grade setup actually. We'll see where can we find it. Actually, it says that the ID number 20 for the quiz has already been taken, so it means that first I would need to change the other ID numbers before I change 10 for 20. So let's just give the correct number for the quiz. Okay, so no problem now. Here for the other activity, we will look at the settings as well, see the changes that were done in order to come up with the grades. So let's look at the grades. You see, I have chosen the scale. I chose LE scale. Maximum grade 6, but I cannot actually change. I said that the grade to pass, it will be 5, so it does not need to be 6, but you need 5 to pass. You can change it to 4 since you've seen what has been shown. On the comments you see the ID number, okay, which is the weight, so 30% out of 100. It's what I'm giving to the activity. Which goals are we going to champion for? And now let's look at the gradebook setup. And again, I said that 4 was actually the minimum to pass. No change. So again, the 6 is the maximum, but you can have 4, which is good, and you still are able to pass your course. Okay, and if you go to grades and to the Moodle settings, you will see that I've also done these changes in order to set up the grades for the course, The World We Want, Sustainable Development for Primary Education. Thank you for watching, and just before I go, let me just save my changes. Thank you again. Bye.